Your business, your business, your business. It's all about your business. What's the strategic advantage? How do you get it? A bunch of computer systems? Nope, that's not it. An integrated system of people, processes, and strategic technology working together? Now we're talking. Normally this is hard. Traditional integration is delivered through complex and expensive system integration. It takes time, it takes people, it takes effort. Western Principles can help you do this easily and fast with the Microsoft Power Platform. Let's talk about the Power Platform and how it can help you. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to get notifications about new content. If you're watching on LinkedIn, please like, comment, or share. What is the Power Platform? Throughout time, Microsoft has been delivering open, standards-based solutions that make doing business easier. Things like SQL Server, Microsoft Visual Studio, and a variety of APIs have always made it easy to bring Microsoft solutions and other business applications together. Today it's even easier. Microsoft has pulled together the Power Platform and enabled it through Microsoft Teams. So let's talk about some of the elements of the Power Platform. Power Apps makes it easy to build forms and workflow-based applications. This gives you the ability to create custom applications where your existing legacy apps don't match your strategy, and to fill tactical gaps where you have business challenges. For example, a team member can start a business process by filling out a form, and that can be routed to other team members to collaborate in the workflow, and between systems as well. Western Principles has helped customers with Power Apps applications to fill these types of gaps for both strategic and tactical needs. We should mention here that Power Apps can be made available to your team members as standalone apps on mobile devices and right inside Microsoft Teams. Power Automate gives you the ability to build easy automation and integration between systems. Power Automate lets you create robotic process automation, or RPA, with a low-code, no-code approach. This helps you to boost business productivity with the ability to automate organizational processes and integrate business systems. Microsoft has a wide variety of integration connectors that you can use to start the process of bringing business data together into a single source of truth. Western Principles has helped customers join their business systems together using Power Automate, and we can help you too. Power BI is a business intelligence solution that helps you make informed, confident business decisions by putting data-driven insights into everyone's hands. Power BI is easy to use and gives you loads of options for creating meaningful stories with your data. Power BI can pull data from multiple business systems, which provides a virtual single source of truth. Over the last several years, Western Principles has helped virtually all of our customers with Power BI dashboards and reports. We love helping our customers with these, and they love the information they get from their Power BI dashboards and the ability to make decisions that drive success. We should also mention that Power BI dashboards can be made available to your team members from a browser, on the Power BI mobile app, and right inside Microsoft Teams. What are your business reporting challenges? Let's talk and get your team the information they need. Your business, your business, your business. Let's talk about your business and how we can help you create an integrated system of people, processes, and strategic technology working together. Let's keep it easy and do it fast by using the Microsoft Power Platform, whether on the desktop, on a mobile app, or in Teams. Western Principles knows the Power Platform and Microsoft Teams, and we can help you with technical services, business process services, and training services to help you create an integrated system of people, processes, and strategic technology working together. Let's get started together. Visit us on the web at www.westernprinciples.com, call us at 1-800-578-4155, or email us at info@westernprinciples.com. We look forward to helping you.